Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to remove vitamin D deficiency, easy method. Start by testing your blood 25O-D level, then focus on simple steps. Get safe sun exposure, add vitamin D-rich foods like salmon and fortified milk, and consider supplements if needed. I will explain dosage options, how to choose a supplement, and how to monitor levels with follow-up testing so you can correct deficiency safely and effectively. Sunlight is the easiest natural source, but diet makes a steady difference too. Brief, regular exposure on arms and legs provides a reliable boost while limiting skin risk. Eating fatty fish twice a week and using fortified milk or cereal gives consistent intake you can count on. I will describe practical meal swaps, when to prefer dietary changes versus supplements, and how to combine all three for steady improvement. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear health tips. On another note, quick recommendation. A book about money can change how you plan for health expenses and long-term care, and it's a fun read to pair with better health habits. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Supplements are a safe, effective option when natural sources fall short. Choose vitamin D3, check your baseline 25O-D level, and use a sensible dosing plan guided by a healthcare professional. I will explain common dosing ranges, when to use daily versus weekly dosing, and signs of improvement to watch for. Regular follow-up testing ensures you reach and maintain optimal levels without unnecessary excess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.